The 600mm/S speed is real. The real cost is the filament you'll burn. Bambu's P2S Combo prints fast, but the multicolor AMS2 Pro will quietly drain your wallet. The Core XY hits 600mm/S with active Flowrate compensation, so corners stay sharp and overhangs clean, faster than most printers, triple its price. Setup is genuinely 15 minutes, and the rigid steel frame keeps vibration low at speed. The AMS2 Pro is the star, built-in drying up to 65 degrees Celsius and seamless multicolor printing that actually works out of the box. It's the most reliable filament changer I've tested under $1,000. AI error detection catches failed prints early. Spaghetti detection and first-layer issues are flagged before you waste hours. In my tests, it caught a clog mid-print and paused automatically. The adaptive airflow system balances cooling for PLA and heat retention for engineering materials, maintaining a 50 degrees Celsius chamber. It printed ABS without warping, a rare feat for a mid-range enclosed printer. Bambu Studio and MakerWorld integration is slick. Over 1 million models and a unified workflow make it beginner-friendly. The mobile app is genuinely useful, not a gimmick. Here's what you get. High-speed precision. The Bambu Lab P2S 3D printer prints up to 600mm/S while maintaining exceptional accuracy. With the PMSM Servo extruder and active Flowrate compensation, every layer of your printed object stays sharp and smooth, delivering flawless corners and consistent results. Ready to print in 15 minutes. Set up your P2S FDM 3D printer and start printing in just 15 minutes. With AI failure detection, quick swap nozzles, and automatic calibration, this 3D printer makes professional-grade 3D printing effortless, even for beginners, and effortless multicolor printing. The AMS2 Pro enables seamless multicolor/multi-material 3D printing. It features built-in filament drying at up to 65 degrees Celsius, keeping every spool ready for flawless prints. Note, the P2S 3D printer does not support multicolor printing. Combo version required. At $769, the P2S Combo is $270 more than the base P2S, and multicolor requires the AMS, so the entry price is misleading. You're paying a premium for a feature that's optional for many users. The AMS2 Pro adds significant waste. Each color change purges filament, and for small parts, you can burn more waste than the part itself. Multicolor prints are pricey in material. The AI detection isn't perfect. It missed a layer shift on a tall print and only caught it after the part was ruined. It's a safety net, not a guarantee. The build volume is only 256 by 256 by 256 millimeters, fine for most, but competitors like the Creality K1C offer larger volume for less. Also, the filament dryer is in the AMS, so if you skip the combo, you lose that. If you want multicolor and speed, the P2S Combo is the best mid-range value. But for single color printing, save $270 and get the base P2S. Full breakdown and print tests in the description. Subscribe for more honest 3D printer reviews.